So guys, even though I'm using Windows 11, this will still work in Windows 7. So for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find background intelligent transfer service. Double click on it. It may also say bits for you. So now once you find this, you want to set the startup type to automatic. And then click on start, which will then make the service status running. And then click on OK. And then once you do that, now we're just going to scroll down a little bit till we find cryptographic services. Double click on it. Do the same thing, startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now you want to click on any service one time, and then click on W on your keyboard. Now we're going to scroll down till we find Windows Update. Double click on it, and then do the same thing, startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in control panel. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure you have view by set to large icons. Now you want to scroll down and then click on troubleshooting. It's going to look a bit different for you in Windows 7, but for me in my case, I'm going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Again, it's going to look a bit different for you in Windows 7, but it's still pretty much going to be the same thing. So now once you find Windows Update, you want to click on run. And now this will come up. Now you want to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Wait for this to load. It's now going to tell you the steps that you may need to do. In my case, I need to restart my computer. However, I'm going to click on next. Wait for this to load. And now that's loaded up, I'm going to do what it told me earlier, which is restart my computer. See if this works for you. You just want to follow the steps that it will tell you. And now once you're back in Windows, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. See if that works for you now. If that's still not working, you want to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description. You want to select your language and then click on download. Now once this downloads, you're going to click on it. And now it's loading up. Wait for this to load. Again, in my case, I'm using Windows 11. That's why it's not working for me. But in your case, on Windows 7, it should work for you.